In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your YouTube video in WordPress blog post. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com, then click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or click on this login right here if you already have one. In my case, I already have it, so let me head over and log in. Now from in there, you should be able to see your WordPress dashboard. You can head over right here to your post, and you should be able to see in here every post that you have created. You can create a new one if you want, but since I already have this, let me just head over and then edit this right there. Now in order to edit this, you can click on edit option, and then this will open the editor for this particular blog. Here we have it. So let's head over and click on this plus icon right here. And from in there, click onto the search and search in here for video. You can see that we have the YouTube embed right here. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. Now it will ask for the embed URL. So what you can do is head over to YouTube and then locate the video that you would want to actually add. Let's head over and then add this. And then get the URL right here and the link. Get it, right click, and from there click on copy. Head back right here to your WordPress and add the URL from there and click on embed. After that, this will load in order to input right here the actual video. And you can notice that it's already added right here. Next thing you need to do is just head over and click on save right here in order to save the changes that you have made into this particular blog post. You can also reposition that and edit it according to your liking. Like you can actually add some CSS classes if you would want to and change its actual layout. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with your queries regarding WordPress and embedding it.